Hey guys, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics here. Just a quick video today, guys. Pulled out some film. You can hear it. Real rigid, crackly, got lines in it. Here's what you do. Get yourself a heat gun or a hair dryer. This gets a little hotter than a hair dryer, but it works really well. I'm going to just do a quick, I just started doing this area right here and figured this would be a good thing to show you guys. Anyway, you can hear the, now watch what we do here. You just kind of work it into it. Kind of move your hand around as it's warming up. Make sure your hands are clean, okay? This particular gun needs to cool down, so you put it on the cool section here, and this lets that element cool down gently instead of just sitting there really hot. So it'll let your gun last a lot longer. Just set it aside and let it blow. Okay, sorry about the noise and all that, guys, but here's the difference. See that? Bad stuff, good stuff. You could drop this film in any second now. Okay. Just a little quick tip for you guys to, a lot of times, and what this is caused by is improper storage, okay? I bought this from another guy that went out of business, and you know, he threw in all the film with it, and some of the film was just dried out, okay? So this is just one way to get the film back on the water. The film's still good, there's nothing wrong with it, but you have to get it workable, and when it's like that, you're going to get air bubbles and everything when you're trying to dip it in there, and especially with carbon fiber, you're pretty much screwed. Don't even use it. Anyways, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, hit the button down below. And if you want to subscribe to it and you'll get the newest videos. We're out.